well get strapped in and get ready for Raymond Riggs Roadhouse. Yeah! What's up, my little riggaronis? Got Bo over my shoulder. Alright, we're heading back to Marge. It's very hot out here. 93. But yeah, we're getting on the road. Just went to the drugstore, pharmacy. Yeah. Picked up some stuff that I had to get, and now we're waiting here for a train to go by. Fun. But anyways, guys, that's what I got going on. It's 11:30. Had a doctor's appointment earlier. Got that taken care of, and now we could start doing our normal routine. Woo. Okay, I'll be back. All right, my riggaronis and my little riggaronis. We're taking off here from Salt Lake City, 12:50 p.m. 107 degrees. Woo! So it's time to get on the road, head back to Cheyenne, Wyoming. So let's do this. No, it's better the other way. Let's get out of here. All right, buckle up. Make sure your seatbelt's fastened. It's time for some speed. Yeah. So I'm taking a 30-minute break, but I came across this the other day. I wanted to show you this cool truck. Check it out. Alright, that was kind of fun. Hope you enjoyed that. Break's over. Time to get back on the road. Let's do it. Well, here we are, guess. Wyoming. The weather here is trippy. So it's 63 degrees here. And it was 90-something in Utah? Yeah. And the wind's blowing. You know how fun that is. An empty trailer in the wind. Let's get out of here. Let's get some speed. There you go. There's the rainbow. Where's my pot of gold? I need it. Alright guys, here we are at the road leading into our DC. We made it back. Weather was brutal and I couldn't show you because it was fog and it wouldn't show up on the camera. But look at all these trucks.
In 1/4 mile, turn left.
Waiting to get into Walmart. Pretty wild, right? They're everywhere. So we're gonna drop off this empty and then we're gonna park. I've only got 3 hours, so don't think they're gonna send me back out. But we don't know yet.
turn left.
Vacation is definitely over. Yeah, we had some horrible weather. Thunder, lightning, had the light show for sure. Lots of rain. It's 57 degrees here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get through this. You guys ready for some speed? Buckle up. Good Hang on. Let's do this. Oh, this is a new one. Good evening. Good. It's empty. Yes, sir. That was good bow treat. Pretty cool. Awesome. Thank you, sir.
You bet. You have.
Are you ready? Lock and load. It's time to go. Let's get Marge ready to rock. Oh? You ready to rock?
Have a great evening.
You too.
Thank you.
Ready? Loves it. All right, brother. See ya. All right, my little riggaronis. It's time for our little roller coaster ride. You ready? Let's go. Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Son of a gun! So fast! Whoa! Yeah! That was cool, man! Well, I hope you enjoyed that adventure. So please subscribe, hit the like button, share, make sure you hit the bell. That way Bo and I know you'll be back here next time. Yeah.